Local time. As soon as the sun starts moving up in the sky after sunrise, the length of our shadow reduces. Normally, the length of the shadow is shortest at noon. As the sun moves towards the horizon in the afternoon, the length of our shadow increases again by evening. The noon time is the same at any given longitudes across the earth, that is, from the North Pole to the South Pole. The time of a place as directed by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time in the region lying in between the polar circles and the poles. The daytime could be more than 24 hours depending upon the season. As a result, understanding the timings of sunrise, noon and sunset and midnight at these places becomes important. At the poles, the daytime and the duration of the day last around 6 months. To tell the time of sunrise or sunset at the poles, one has to consider the date. When the sun rises on a specific day, it moves around the horizon and therefore, here the length of shadow cannot be considered for telling the noon time. Different longitudes have different timing for sunrise, noon and sunset. When it is noon at Mumbai, it would be the same at Kolkata. Because Kolkata lies to the east of the Mumbai, it would be already afternoon in Kolkata. The local time of places on the earth's surface is determined with reference to its noon time. This implies that places lying on the same longitude have the same local time. There is no difficulty when local time is used for a small area. When people living in a larger area across different longitudes have to interact with each other, then using the local time could lead to chaos and confusion. In such a cases, using the local time is not convenient. Think about it. At the pole, sunrise occurs on the equinox and the sun sets on the next equinox. If you happen to be any of the poles then what would be the route of the sun in the daytime? The following would be the route for the sun in the daytime. 1. North Pole. 1. The sun rises at the North Pole approximately on March 21. 2. Approximately from March